going to start with this light pink color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm just going to place that above where my crease area would be. I do have hooded eyes, so I'm placing it higher than where my crease is. Next, I'm going to take this hot pink color, and then I'm going to apply that where I am going to make my crease. Next, I'm going to take this darker purple shade, and then I'm going to smoke this eye out, making sure to get in the crease really good. Next, I'm going to take this lighter purple shade on my blending brush, and then I'm just going to buff these colors together, the darker purple with the pinks, just so it's not looking crazy and unblended. Nobody wants that. Next, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Angle Liner Brush. And then I'm going to cut my crease again, going above my crease, because that just looks better on my hooded eyes. Next, I'm going to take this flat eyeshadow brush with the dark purple, and I'm going to go back on top of where I cut the crease, just because I cut it a little bit too high. And then I'm just going to clean up the crease again. Now I'm going to take this dark pink shade, and I'm just going to apply it on the lid over the rest of the concealer. Now I'm going to take more of the dark purple, and I'm going to blend that into the pink. Now I'm going to apply the NYX glitter glue over the pink. Next, I'm going to be taking my NYX glitter in the color Rose, and I'm just going to pat that on with a flat eyeshadow brush. Now you have to let the glue dry. If it doesn't, it's going to look clumpy or it's going to crease. Either way, neither one's cute. Next, I'm going to take my angle liner brush, and I'm going to apply more glitter directly to where I cut the crease, just so my crease is still nice and sharp. Next, I'm going to take this light purple shade, and I'm going to blend the darker purple with the glitter, just so the transition is a little more smooth. So I apply wing liner off camera, and I'm just going to clean up underneath the eyes before I apply the foundation. Next, I'm going to apply my Match Master MAC foundation in the color 7.5. I'm just going to put a couple pumps on my face here. Then I'm just going to take my beauty blender and apply the foundation. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl concealer from earlier, and I'm just going to apply that everywhere that I want to highlight. And then I'm just going to blend that out with the beauty blender. Then I'm going to take an angle liner brush with more concealer, and I'm just going to clean up under that wing. And then I'm going to blend that out with the beauty blender. Now I'm just going to bake my face to set everywhere that I use concealer. And then I dust that off almost immediately because it is a translucent powder, not too black girl friendly, and I do not need all the extra flashback. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and I'm going to use that to contour. This is in the color Cocoa. And then I'm just going to put a little bit on a brush and apply it to do my nose contour. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my Tarte contour brush. And from the Becca Chrissy Teigen palette, I'm going to use the pink to highlight using my It Cosmetics highlighting brush. And for my lips, I'm going to be using Bite Beauty in the color Truffle. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer line of my lips here. And then I'm going to go in with the color Orchid from Bite Beauty as well. And now our look is complete. Be sure to tell me your thoughts on this look. And if you like it, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, thank you for watching. Be sure to tell me other things that you guys would like to see as well. Bye.